So, we got a thing going on. The week of boycotting PlayStation. Yeah, no, just boycott PlayStation altogether. Like, I don't think anyone should buy anything for PlayStation. Fluff PlayStation. If they want to kill physical media, if they want to, fluff over the consumer, stop giving them money. End your PlayStation memberships. Don't buy the PS6. Don't buy a PS5. Don't buy a PS5 Pro. Just move on. And we saw this around, a couple days ago when PlayStation servers completely went down. And yeah, guess what? When PlayStation servers goes down, you don't own anything even more than before. Because before it was like, I got the digital stuff, right? When PlayStation servers go down, you have 0 online services. And if you haven't downloaded your games already, if let's say, for example, because of how big games are, you might have 1 or 2 games downloaded. Well, if PlayStation service goes down, all those other games you have on the store that you can download, you no longer can download. So, yeah, it is what it is. But backers of physical media have called on gamers to boycott PlayStation for a week in August to send a message to Sony that its decision to kill disc in 2028 is unacceptable. Which I don't think people are going to actually do this. This is kind of the problem with this whole situation is, yes, it is great and we should be boycotting them and we should be stopping them, giving money to them. People are still going to give money to them. People are still going to buy their products. They're still going to play their games. They're still going to play their consoles. So, if anything, maybe this will push some type of envelope, but I just don't think it's going to happen. I really don't. I'm not trying to be Debbie Downer, but these big companies, they don't care. They really don't. And unless it's a big enough change that will truly push them to a point where they have to care, mainly because they're stockholders, that's why they care. If the stockholders get a little, antsy because people aren't buying stuff or the profits aren't the same profits as normal, then they actually care. But it just takes so much to get to that point that I don't think we're going to get to that point. But you know what? If it does, it does. And I'm happy if it does. But I'd say more than just 1 week, stop buying PlayStation. No more PlayStation. If you won't play a console, play Xbox. Microsoft has a bunch of their own issues and problems, and we could get into that, beyond. But they're not doing physical media. They're not killing physical media. And Project Helix, the new Xbox coming out, has a disk drive. I know. It's crazy. The Xbox that's coming out next actually has a disk drive for physical media. And also, Microsoft did announce that they are bringing more original Xbox games to Xbox Game Pass and for Xbox Series X and S. So, again, kind of bringing back that old media that we might not, be able to use anymore. So, W Xbox, fluff PlayStation, whatever, comes of this, hopefully is positive. Now, keep in mind, I do want to go ahead and preface this by saying, people see the whole kill disc in 2028 and on, and I don't think people understand truly what that means. So they're going to stop production of disc in 2028. They're not going to start burning a bunch of disc and Blu-rays and games. I think people really did not understand this concept because I saw a lot of people being like, they're going to start mass throwing away all these games and disc, and all these companies are going to have to get rid of the physical disc. No, it's just they're going to not make any more. So all the countless PS5 games out there and all that kind of stuff, it's still going to be out there. It's not like they're getting rid of that. They're still going to have physical disc. It just won't be new physical disc. So, newer games that come out won't be on disc on PlayStation. I just want to clarify that, because I know it sounds stupid, but there was a lot of people who got confused by that and upset by that and thought that Sony was getting rid of, like, they were purposely going to companies and taking their stock of physical disc in 2028 and getting rid of them. They're not. They're just killing production of it moving forward. Anyway, see you guys in the next one. Peace out.